Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have error on your iPhone, volume turned down notification on iPhone. So for fixing it, you just need to open the settings, and in the settings you need to find your Face ID and passcode. So now you just need to write your passcode. So now just scroll down. Here you will see attention aware features. iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So just turn off here, and if you still have problems with sound, so just go to sounds and haptics, and now just open headphone safety. Here you need to turn off reduce loud sounds. If you turn off on here, just turn off. Here it must be disabled. And also these all things you can also check here. And if you still have this error, so just go to general, just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just open software update, just check until it will show you if you have available updates. If you have it, just download and install it on your phone. And I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.